Gentlemen, here's the question you've always wanted answered. Does size matter? Yes, and just so you know, girls do talk about the size of a guy's package. Yes, they do, quite often. When you first meet a guy, there's this confidence that makes a man very, very attractive. My girlfriends agree that men with larger penises seem to exude that complete confidence. After you've been with someone for a while, it sure helps keep things exciting if they have a larger member. There's just so much more you can do, and it's hard to not get lost in that kind of pleasure. Does size matter? Yes. I'm a girl, so I haven't used it personally, but I have girlfriends who've dated guys who used it and they had no complaints at all. They rave about the changes. The only way you will know whether it works for you is for you to try it. If it doesn't give you measurable results, you can get your money back. If it works, your confidence, your sex life, and your partner will thank you. Visit link below in the description to see some real before and after pictures.